The Stop Arming Cartels Act of 2024 proposes banning the manufacture, sale, possession, importation, or transfer of 50 caliber rifles by civilians in the United States. So, just to be clear in case you missed it, by removing your legal right to own a 50 cal, they will cut down on drug cartel violence. The legislation filed by Democratic U.S. Reps Joaquin Castro and Veronica Escobar of Texas and Maxwell Frost of Florida would require anyone who possesses one such rifle prior to the bill going into effect to register it in the National Firearms Registration and Transfer Record.